Hi nostalgic home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a deliciously thick cheese sauce without flour or cornstarch.
This rich and creamy thick cheese sauce is super simple to make and is naturally gluten-free and keto-friendly.
Nothing even needs to be cooked in this recipe, just heat it up enough to melt the cheese.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a thick and creamy cheese sauce without cornstarch or flour.
There are a ton of cheese sauce recipes out there, but most use a flour and butter base to thicken the sauce. This sauce is thick and creamy without any grains added in. To a medium pot on medium-high heat, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Break up the cream cheese in the pot and stir until everything starts to combine and soften. Next, add in 1 cup of thick plain yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt for this recipe today. Sprinkle in a half a teaspoon of salt and a few grinds of pepper. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, but this is optional. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Once the mixture is hot, you can sprinkle in about a cup or 125 grams of grated cheddar cheese, or your favorite melting cheese. Remove from the heat and stir until the cheese melts into a creamy mixture. This pairs especially well with veggies like broccoli and cauliflower, but could be used with anything from nachos, pasta, potatoes, or even meat. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple, vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.